Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change background for video calls on the Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. So, all you have to do is simply go to Settings, scroll down a little until you locate Advanced Features, and in here you can see Video Effects. You want to enable it and then click it in order to choose a different background color or to choose a background image from your gallery. For example, I will choose this little one right here. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.